Hey guys, happy Vlogmas Day. What day is it? 16?
I think it's 16.
Is it the 16th?
You can check my calendar. Yours getting shouted at.
Yeah. Alright. Happy Vlogmas Day 16. Look what we got today.
And it's my Owlcrate.
So we're going to unbox this for you. And
See what's in it.
yeah. This is going to be our Vlogmas Day 16. I'm not going to show you anything else today. We're just going to roll with it.
Just show you everything
So,
that's in the box.
here. Oh, and look what I got in the mail today. Shiva! This was the shirt from the
Walking Dead.
I forget which month. I think they do this supply, the Walking Dead supply box every 2 months. So I think this was the
Second month.
April or March box. I'm not sure, but I got it on eBay for $23. So I don't subscribe to the Walking Dead supply drop box, but I am hoping to eventually because I want the Walking Dead stuff. But yeah, I love Shiva. Okay, so I just had to throw that out there.
Let's just see what's in the box now.
Can you open the box on camera?
Hey, right now we just got a lot of stuff in it.
Okay. Ooh, show them the card. No, you gotta put it up close so they can see it. And then, what's the theme?
Storyteller Toolkit.
So, this is the card. And on the back is the spoilers. Ooh, quick peek. Haha. Alright. Dig in. Hey!
Sorry.
Hey! Hey!
Sorry.
You gonna be cleaning that up. You
Sorry.
see? Guess who? Look. Yep.
Sorry.
This kid's crazy. Yeah, you gonna be vacuuming. You say you were bored. I got a vacuum just itching to be used. Okay. Put it in the box. Okay. Oh, is that your first sneak that you got for the month? What is it? Create a
story card.
So, these are the cards that she gets to use to help her create a story. I think it shows them plot and setting and character names and character
People.
and villains and stuff like that, and what traits they have.
And kingdoms.
Yep. Oh, see? The witch in the bottle. I like that.
And a kingdom.
Okay, so don't be putting no more crap on my floor.
Sorry.
Because you're going to be doing chores later. They got to see you, baby. Okay, show them the button.
And it's in, what is it?
Oh, let me see. I think it's a typewriter on a notebook paper background. See how I'm holding it right here? This is where the camera is. So they can see. Okay? So when you show it like right here, okay? And let me stop it and then restart it. Time for the next thing.
What is
Okay,
it?
what is it?
What's
your story? What's your story? Oh, and it's got a fountain pen on top.
Move.
Here, hold the box.
What's in it?
Oh, you got a new notebook.
Whoa! Just like
Glad I didn't buy you one the other day. But yeah, it's got like the fountain pen nib. And on the back it says, what's your story? So, yeah, that'd be cool to help use these and use these and this. Okay, next thing. Not the book yet. I'm gonna flip the book over. Okay? Okay. Let's see this. Show them this. got more fountain pens and bottles of ink. It's a little bag.
Ooh, it looks like it has paintbrushes on it too.
Yep. So.
Maybe.
No, tell them.
Maybe those one of these jars.
Artist oil or ink. Maybe.
Maybe.
It's nice. Feel it.
Oh yeah, it feels good.
And it's got a nice smooth zipper. Ooh. Oh, I spoke too soon. Okay. Yep. Got a nice zipper. And it's
all black inside.
Nice and big inside.
It has something in it?
It's got that silica that's poisonous if ingested. Okay. And got something
that.
What are these?
Pencils.
She's getting more pencils. And it says, once upon a time, it was a dark and stormy night, and a long, long time ago. You ain't gonna be running out of no pencils this year. If you do, I'm gonna wonder what the hell's going on. Because you got
a lot of pencils.
And you got these. You got the ones you got from Barnes & Noble the other night. I'll show you all that later.
Oh, and the pencils that's in that elephant.
That's what I'm talking about. These are from the Jubilee Design Studio. I think this was the second sneak. I think about it.
Well, then what's this? Oh, I know what it is.
What?
It's a little book.
A book eraser? Yep, and it's an eraser.
And look.
Haha. Read it.
Goosebumps. Instead of goosebumps, it's moose bumps.
Yep, it says moose bumps. And it's got a little skull and crossbones, which I love and think it's so cute.
Ooh,
but it's a little eraser.
Let's feel it. Ooh, feels good.
Addie, please sit. Okay, let me see. Is that everything? Oh, no. Here's the book. This comes last. And the book is... This is a pretty cover. Okay.
And is it scary? I like scary.
This got a pretty cover. I want it. Okay, let's show them. What's the title?
Night Books.
That is such a pretty cover. And look. It looks like a keyhole.
Yeah.
And it's got a kitty. It's got a cat.
Oh, I didn't see that one there.
And then, ooh, and it comes with my notebook private keep out. This means you. Ooh, it's another little notebook, and it comes with story ideas on the back. That's cute. You got your note from the author, who is J.A. White. And then you got the signed book plate.
So I got another signed book, right?
Mm-hmm. Oop! Haha. It's not taking me forever to sign.
Yeah, last time it took forever.
Right, shush. Okay, so got a signed book. Oh, and let's undress it.
Whoa! Show them. It's a pretty color.
And it's your
favorite color. Blue.
She loves the color blue.
Blue goes on everything that I like.
Okay, so let's read what it's about. Alex has loved scary stories his whole life. He never imagined it he being trapped in one. When Alex sneaks out in the middle of the night, he becomes imprisoned by the witch Natasha in her magical apartment. Another child in the apartment, Yasmin, assures Alex that she's already tried every means of escape. Only Natasha holds the bone keys that lead back to their world, and she'll never part from them. But Natasha likes stories, and Alex's only chance for survival is to keep Natasha satisfied by reading her one of his own hair-raising tales each night. Except Alex is running out of time and in original stories, he's desperate for a way out of this twisted place. Alex has loved scary stories his whole life. He knows most don't have a happy ending. So this seems like a middle grade misery, where the author is kidnapped by Annie or a bad woman and forced to write another book in his series that she wants this to go a certain way. Oh, and I'm going to be reading Misery next month. So how about you read this next month with me? And since it sounds like my book right there, you can read this one. How about that?
That's a great.
Get that book with the purple spine right there. That's leaning out a little bit.
This one?
Yes. No, other one. The big one. That one. Okay. See? Here's Erie's book that she's going to be reading next week. Not next week, next month.
Yeah.
And here's my book. So y'all are already getting a sneak peek at my September TBR.
Mine look bigger and Mama's look smaller.
But mine is thicker.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think it sounds like a middle grade misery.
Middle grade misery?
That's what the name of this book is, Misery. Okay, can you put it back, please? Thank you. So, but I would think that a series of unfortunate events, this little notebook would be a homage. The Commonplace notebook. Remember that? The notebook that Claus carries around to write all his thoughts and the feelings and the observations in? His Commonplace book. So I think this would be for it. Everyone has a story inside them. What's yours? Write it down in your brand new notebook. Remember, first drafts are allowed to be messy. Next month's theme for Addie. The theme of September Owlcrate Jr. is Ghosts and Ghoulies.
And it looks scary.
No, it don't. You like ghosts. Look at them.
Ooh.
Well, I gotta read it.
Gotta read it?
Boo! I scare you! We're starting Halloween early this year with a very special ghost story from one of our favorite authors. This month's spectacular box is perfect for fans of The Graveyard Book, Lockwood & Co., Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children, and things that go bump in the night. Oh, I cannot wait for this box.
Yeah.
Ghosts and Ghoulies. Boo! I scare you. It's perfect. She likes to go boo in the mornings at 5 o'clock in the dark.
And boo! I scare you! I call that.
Okay, I guess it. So, I hope you like this Owlcrate Jr. unboxing. If you did, please give Ariana a thumbs up. And give her all the views. Give her all the likes. Give her lovey comments. Give her a bigger head than she already has.
My head isn't made for that helmet. For that.
Because your head's too big. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I like my head.
That's nice. Okay, and we'll see you in our next video, or we'll see you later in this vlog. It's day 16. Later.
Bye.